how you can add cookie consent banner in your WordPress site. So it's very simple. All you're gonna have to do is to open your WordPress admin, make sure you are here, and on the left we want to enter plugins, and we're gonna add a plugin. So click add plugin button, and here search for cookie banner or cookie notice, and now we're gonna search for, and we're gonna use any plugin you want. So this one has more than 1 million installations, also this one has over 1 million installations. You can check your reviews, etc. You can preview that, and for example I'm gonna install this one and simply click on install now. Wait until it's installed, and now you have to click activate. So click activate, and now you are in your cookie notice plugin. As you can see in the left side, here is the new section of this plugin. You can always customize it here, and you can, for example, manage cookie banner, the template, banner preview, the layout. You can select the position, bottom right, bottom left, top left, etc. And here you can enter custom CSS if you want to. Also, here is the manager, some languages. If you want to add a language, click here to add your preferred language, and it's simple as that. So if you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.